Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty and Nifty are going to be behaving on the monthly expiry and what are the key levels to look out for. Today at the juncture where Bank Nifty is standing, it is one of the most important levels in the 1,000 points. So between 36,000 and 35,000, the most important level comes out to be 35,500. So today we have seen a lot of support over here on this particular area. So the most important thing that we need to do for Bank Nifty tomorrow is this particular trend line. Now, before I proceed with that, let me just go ahead and talk to you about how our live trading went so far. If you want to know what kind of profits that we have made, then there is a link in the description below for the Telegram channel. So you can join that channel for free views and also to understand how we are faring so far on the live trading platform. And if you have any more questions, with regards to live trading, then there is a WhatsApp number that has been listed below. I would really love to hear from you and I'll have a personal conversation there. Okay, now without further ado, let's quickly get back and see what's happening here. Now, the most critical part about Bank Nifty is that this particular trend line has been respected for an entire day. Now, if I go ahead and make one over here, all right, it was still respecting. So I was waiting for an opportunity to do an overnight position, but however, there was a very strong support at 245 on which I gave up hope. Now, what is going to happen tomorrow is that it's very simple, guys. If this is going to break tomorrow, 35,500, then our first step is going to be here till 35,300. Now, when it comes to 35,300, it will then go ahead and take a little bit of support here. All right. Now, if you want to give yourself an accurate level, then let me just extend this line here. So I want to tell you 35,325. So as soon as this is taken out at the beginning of the day, then you can go ahead with this particular trade and it might give you a decent amount of profits. And if it then is not sustaining on that level as well, then we can expect somewhere around at least 35,000 as a level that it can go to. Now, tomorrow, I will not be trading until 1:30. So after 12 o'clock, I'll come into the market and I will try to understand where the market is heading and then trade the market, because the kind of strategy that we are following on expiry trades, that is initiated after 1:30 mostly. So, we are going to have a late day, but however, for you guys, if you're trading early, then these are the levels that you need to look out for. Now, on the upside, it is having a lot of resistance. So 35,664 is the first resistance, and then 35,778 is the second resistance, and the third resistance is over here, which is 35,900. Now, if it has to take all these resistances, then it needs to have a very good news that is coming to the market, and it needs to be very, very powerful. So then is when this particular 400 levels will open, 400 points will open on the top side. Now, what would be the easy one is the short trade for tomorrow. So this is the levels for Bank Nifty. Now let's go ahead quickly talk about Nifty. Now Nifty also over here is taking a very support at 16,626 is what the number is, but I would want to just extend it and make it a round figure of 16,600. So by any chance, if Nifty is going to come into that particular area, now remember, draw this trend line on your charts, and if it is inside this particular trend line, I would request you not to trade. Just wait for this to do its reaction and then initiate the positions, because it can actually be a trap for you as well. So I just wanted to tell you over here, it is making a lower high. Okay, it can also make a lower high once again, take a support, and then shoot upwards. So this is normally the character of this particular index. But however, Bank Nifty does not have so much strength, and Nifty is somehow sustaining and holding its breath. So if Nifty takes out 16,600 tomorrow, then is when I'm going to be initiating a trade till 16,558. So that's the first 50 points. And if it extends itself, then I will be looking for a 100-point target until 16,500. Now, what is going to happen in expiry? Everything out of this is going to become zero. All right, so please trade very carefully. And remember, these levels are pretty crucial. And if tomorrow you see an opportunity over here and it is taking itself out over here on the downside, then I want to tell you that you will have a very perfect trade. Now, usually on an expiry day, a lot of people think that they can make a lot of money, but it is very, very difficult nowadays to make money on an expiry time frame. So I would request you to follow your risk management and money management and take support from whoever is there over there for you to arrange your lots, because over here expiry can literally destroy your capital. Okay, so that's one most important thing. And also to let you know, on our salary trading account, we have crossed somewhere around 5 lakhs today. So a big pat on the back for the month of August. It has been the most wonderful month so far. So we are expecting a couple of more months like this, and then we are going to end this particular year in a net to net huge profits. So if you want to join our live trading, then visit our Telegram channel, or you can go to the website www.rltagroup.com and join with us and trade with us live, where we do live analysis and take live trades for you. So with this information, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. Jai Hind. Love you all. We'll see you on the next video once again. Goodbye for now. Take care.